Alright, so now we're going to do a subject of the formula kind of question. Okay, this topic falls under algebra. So what you have to notice here is that actually there's a typo here. There's a missing C here. So actually you have to take this formula currently with a lot of variables and eventually come to the point where you have x as the subject of the formula. So recall, you're going to have a whole bunch of working where you are actually obeying the laws of solving equations and roughly come to a point where x is the subject of the formula, where x equals to something. So you always have to have this endpoint in mind. So how do we solve this? So first of all, you notice there's this big square root over the heads of 2x over 3 and you just have a single c over here. So now, if I want to have make x the subject of the formula, I have to sort of release it from this square root sign. So first thing, or recall, how do we get rid of the square root sign? Well, actually it's to square both sides. So when that happens, you have actually c squared equals to, when I square this whole thing, the square root sign just disappears. And I have this. This is after I square both sides. Okay, so now I'm just going to obey the typical laws of solving equations and rearrange everything until I have x on one side like this and everything else the other side. So this is a simple equation to solve. Actually, if you recall, this looks like something I can cross multiply, single fraction on each side. So I'm going to take 3 and I'm going to multiply it to c squared and 1 multiplied to 2x. Okay, so maybe first thing I want to do is flip it around. So I get this. And then you notice, oh, I'm almost there. I have 2x and I want 1x. So 3c squared gets divided by the number 2. And there you have it. X is the subject of the formula, where x is on one side and everything else is on the other side.